Somebody told me you were leaving. Somebody told me I would happy.
Grabe, maganda. Pila-pil maka.
Somebody told me that
Magiling
you
sigaw.
don't want me no more. No say walking out the door. Nobody told me you've been crying every night.
Ang sakit!
Nobody told me you've been dying. Want to fight.
Sakit!
Nobody told me that you fell out of love from me.
Pila-pil.
And someone said,
Wala, umiiyak gago! Ang sakit sa puso, guys.
let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to fight, just set up where someone wins a song or loses. And it's hard to say our love was true, but it's never coming. So I'm telling
Uy, ba't ka
you,
umiiyak?
I love you.
Ang sakit na kanta mo, Mars! Ba't nananakit ka? Guys, ang sakit! Sino nanakit sa'yo, Mars? Kami bahala sa'yo.
Somebody told me you still love me. I don't know why.
Kaya nga.
Nobody told me that you only needed time to fly. Somebody told me that you want to come back when but love is real love. Yeah.
Galing mo, Mars.
Let me be the one to break it up, so you won't have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins a someone loses, and we just have to say our love was true, but it's never coming.
Siging kanta, siging kanta.
So I'm telling you, I love you.
Siging kanta, nasasaktan kami dito. Wala naman kami dinadamdam.
You don't have to live like this. And don't know, but if you love, you still can stay. Don't keep me waiting for the final kiss. We can work together through this test, or we can work through it apart. And I just need to carry this on my chest, that you will always in my heart.
Galing mo, Mars!
So, let me
Alak pa, alak pa, alak pa.
be the one to break it up.
Para na akong Dalmatian.
Have to make excuses. We don't need to find a setup where someone wins a song or loses. Then we just have to say our love was true, but it's not because I love. And so I'm telling you, I love you are last time. And goodbye.
Sakit!
Thank you, Bossy.
Alright, thank you so much.
Ang galing mo!
Ano ka ba? Dati akong dancer.
Ang galing mo!
Maraming.
Bakit nananakit ka? Bakit nananakit ka?
Pang-upload lang. Pang-upload lang, hindi ako kaya affected.
Bakit?
Hindi kaya ako affected.